Alright, we just made it to Black Point. Anchored down. It's a bit breezy. So I think we're gonna go get us a safe harbor drink. Welcome to today's episode. I'm looking forward to exploring this place. We have some laundry to do. We have some cooking to do. And whatever this place has for us, I don't even have a clue what's here. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time. And we got some weather coming, as usual. Thanks for joining us today. Let's have some fun.
Hello, it's laundry day. I don't know what else you want me to say. Hey, we're the Fosters, Matt, Nancy, Olivia, and Mocha. This is Cadence, our home and philosophy, the balance and rhythm we seek. We sold our stuff back in 2020 and just started full-time travel last year. Welcome to our episodes, where we are currently exploring the Bahamas. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. Hello friends, welcome to Black Point on Great Guana Key. Yesterday we spent doing laundry and chores, and today is exploration day. We're gonna go explore the town, try to find the market. There's a lady who makes bread here that we hear is just amazing. We did get some yesterday, it's awesome. So we're gonna pick up some more and just go have some fun. Come on.
Black Point is on Great Guana Key. It's centrally located in the Exuma island chain, just south of the busy hub at Staniel Key. But it's a world apart from Staniel in character and represents a true slice of life in the Out Islands.
Oh, you can get tokens here for the laundry. It's got a little bit of everything.
Got some fresh produce.
Some produce. Mailboat's not here yet, so it's a little slim on the produce, but I came for flour and
Produce
eggs.
comes on the mailboat?
Yeah.
Let's score.
I need flour for the baking I've been doing.
Tortillas.
Tortillas.
Did it. Thank you.
Okay.
That's gorgeous right there. How's it going?
So yesterday was girls' day, and we made Matt stay at home, and Olivia and I.
Hold on. I chose to stay at home.
Olivia, I, and our friends Alicia and Reagan had lunch at Lorraine's cafe. It was delicious.
All right, so we bought the last 2 loaves from Lorraine's mom. Sweet, amazing lady. After we turned the video off, she really shared some of the process. She has to 200 coconuts at a time. Her and her son, they shuck them, cut the coconut out, cook it, melt it down. Whole lengthy process. Everything has to come in by boat. So when she says the secret ingredient is love, yeah, there's a lot behind that. What an amazing person.
It's called me Lorraine's mom. That's the name they give me years back.
Lorraine's mom.
Lorraine's mom.
Okay, so the bread's great. How long have you been baking?
I've been baking from a small girl.
Oh, really?
Yes.
There we go. Well, we're lucky. So there's 2 of us, and there's 2 loaves left today.
Yes, so you'll have to share.
Unless I beat them. So
one would be here later though.
awesome. How many do you bake per day?
Well, it just depends on the amount of customers I get.
Okay. Gotcha. It makes sense.
Some day it's slow, and some day it's busy.
So I've had the coconut bread. Is that the specialty?
Especially yes,
Okay.
I would say.
What's the special ingredient that makes it so fluffy?
Well, I just use the usual stuff that I
Okay.
continue to use at all times. But I guess the extra is the love.
Oh, no secrets revealed here. Thanks for sharing your story as well.
So nice of you to come by my home, and bye-bye. Love you all. Especially all the boaters that are in the harbor today.
Hopefully we'll come back tomorrow and get some more bread. Whew. Lorraine's bread right next to Lorraine's cafe. We'll try to draw it up on a map for you. In case you ever come through here, this is amazing. Good stuff. Good people. Good people. Just want to say I love this little town, Breezy. Oh man, the little grocery stores, the bakery, the people, everybody's hello, how's it going? We're about to have a little lunch here in town at a buffet. Going American style. Anyway, beautiful town. We're gonna run these groceries back to Cadence, and then we're gonna have a little lunch, and then do a little exploring with you. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I look forward to that.
We're heading to Lorraine's Cafe. So we came down here to Emerald Beach and we had another beer and we got some shells off the beach.
Nice, look at that shell. Show us that one.
Isn't that pretty? So one of the Bahamian men told me that they take this and they make jewelry out of it. So my next goal is to find a place that sells some jewelry. I think it's gorgeous. And then this one's metallic inside.
That's wicked.
It's wicked.
Let me see it.
So we made it back to Lorraine's. We're going in for the buffet. It's gonna be so delicious.
Buffet, Bahama style, right?
That's right. Come on.
I'm gonna say thank you all so much. I'm here in the Bahamas, okay? All right, okay. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Okay.
The food was so good.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
Almost as good as your mom's bread.
Okay. Yes.
All right, Lorraine, the food has been great.
Yes.
How long have you been running the cafe here?
Over 12 years. I've been running Lorraine's Cafe.
It's a long time to tailor these recipes, right?
Oh yeah, sure.
So what's the most popular dish?
Well, a lot of people like the ribs, the conch, the fish, and now we have a good big seller is the cracked lobster. The lobster sandwiches, the cracked lobster, and the broiled lobster.
Cool.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna get
It's
another
my pleasure
round.
meeting you. Go right ahead.
All right.
Okay.
See this one? Ooh, it's pretty. There's nothing in there. It moved away. So pretty. It's soft, huh?
I like this. And this is soft.
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
too. So pretty. Oh, you're gonna steal the show. You're gonna steal the show. Right there. High five. Oh, have a good day. You're
What's
too
your
much.
name?
Well, that's a little scary. Oh, it's sucking the boat up. It's so close to our anchor line. Oh, so that's the mailboat, right?
Yeah, very scary.
Wow.
But these people have been waiting. They normally get their delivery on, I think they said Tuesday, and today is Saturday. So they've been waiting for groceries and mail and for things to be restocked since then.
Yeah. That's the reason why we didn't eat at that first restaurant, because fresh produce and food hadn't arrived. So, which worked out good because we ate at Lorraine's. It was amazing. That was scary, close to our anchor road. Oh my gosh, let me.
Checking my
Oh my god. Someone got them a new pickup truck. Look at that. Nice. And they gotta land it on that dock. We were just on that dock. It is not that wide. No wonder everybody came out. All the kids came out. They knew somebody's pickup truck was coming in.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's cool.
So we've been fortunate. We've gotten to stay several days here at Black Point on Great Guana Key. Today we're going to go to the shore. The rain, our anchorage is a little bit rolly, so it's a good time to get off the boat So we're gonna go to shore, we're gonna go over to this little beach, kind of explore the beach over here, and try to go to the other side to see what's over there. We heard there's a blowhole, we didn't get to go yesterday, so we're gonna go check it out.
Someone down below doesn't want to be left. Mocha.
We heard there were blowholes on the Exuma side of the island. That's what we're hunting for. A blowhole is simply a deep hole in the rock where ocean waves have weathered the shoreline. The water rushes under the surface and then spews out the top.
We found the blowhole. It's not blowing up today, but it's giving us a little bit of a show here and there. Whoa. Tiny show.
I would hate to fall in there, just saying.
Dad.
That would not be a good place to spend 2 minutes of your life. Whoa! Yeah, that one came up. Cool. So this is the blowhole. It's like this big rock in this limestone, sandstone. And when the waves crash in, it creates this pressure that it sprays up. So that's how it works. And it funnels a lot of hot air. There's a lot of warm air coming out. You can hear it sucking out. And there it sprays up. There's a lot of snails around here too. There we go. And it's a relatively calm day out there, so I can imagine if it's if the waves are ripping, it would be pretty active. The warm air from the water is pretty cool. So I'm getting wet.
Found a gorgeous, secluded little beach. It's amazing. She's gonna throw a rock in to make sure it's not quicksand. Okay, once you leave the blowhole, you follow the little trail around and you find this beautiful beach with nobody on it. And there's just, the beauty of it all is just so amazing. The colors are so pretty. There's pretty things on the beach to find and collect. And it's so peaceful. It's
pretty
so
cool.
calm. So
How's
cool.
the sand?
Sand is like so soft. It's crazy. So crazy. It's like a little pedicure, you know?
It really is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's my ankles. I just want to say, wow, this place is amazing. This beach makes you feel special. Makes you appreciate the earth. Makes me appreciate the earth. My small little place in it. All right, looks good. Going through Dotham Cut. Tide, slight incoming wind. If you remember back in Georgetown, not a good combo. And this cut is notorious for being pretty bad.
What happened?
Head sail, over here.